Do you know many people are having trouble with setting their boost pump to operate with their main pump? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn off power. Turn off all power switches and the main breaker for safety. Step 2. Install switch. Install a normally closed fireman's switch to the time block assembly. Step 3. Connect time block. Connect the time lock to the booster pump following the booster pump installation instructions. Step 4. Link connector. Link the fireman's switch to the J3 remote control connector on the controller. Step 5. Set time lock. Set the time lock to desired times and turn the power back on. With these steps, your booster pump should now activate whenever the main pump is running. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Jandy users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.